Ouch. Get to the chopper! What? Furniture store, whatever. Believe it or not, this whole parking lot that you're seeing is for one store. Den Lenga, wegen hem.
Okay. Are they comfortable?
That lady is really lazy.
Thing, you know?
Yeah, like a monster almost.
Yeah.
We're finding weird arts inside of IKEA and crafts.
Apple cutter.
That's like straight up. Ours doesn't even have handles.
Cut yourself while you cut this apple.
They have so much crap in this store, I'm not even kidding. It's awesome. People think I'm crazy because I'm talking to a camera. Oh god, and I bet you anything, it doesn't even look like that.
Look at those light box flowers are. Ew.
Cafeteria? Are you serious? Yes, in a furniture store.
You're tripping. I'm taking the stairs.
Balls. Easy as hard? Look at this. Crap. We're lost in IKEA. It keeps pointing us towards like the exit, but we can't find the exit, so what are we gonna do?
Die in IKEA! Huge advertisement.
Oh my god. I have been craving a hot dog all day. They won't buy me one. It's 50 cents.
Then you go. Oh, it's right here. We can get one on our way out.
Yes! If you guys can't spell, get IKEA cookies.
In my life, sunshine. It's all sunshine. It's nothing but sunshine. It's all sunshine. It's nothing but sunshine. It's all sunshine.
Hey guys, obviously you can see it's been a while since I made that video from IKEA. I know I really haven't been up to date with a lot of my videos, but I'm sorry, it's just because I've been through school and a lot of stuff. The main reason why I'm making this is to tell you guys to please go to the annotation that I'm about to put up. It's right here. Click it to go to another video that happened a couple days ago that I haven't posted yet. It's on my other channel, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my other channel, I highly recommend it. Go to my other channel. It's when I saw a UFO with Leo and Joey and everybody. So click that video, click the annotation, and go check it out. Rate 5, comment, and subscribe to my other channel. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it. Thank you guys so much. I love you all.